How do chameleons use adaptation? Mimicry, camouflage, hibernation. Camouflage. What is the primary function of a platypus's bill? Flying, feeding, digging, feeding. Which animal can regrow its lost tail? Lizard, kangaroo, elephant, lizard. What is the adaptation that allows a cheetah to run at high speeds? Retractable claws, powerful jaws, specialized legs. Specialized legs. How do Arctic foxes adapt to their cold environment? Thick fur that changes color. Large ears for heat absorption. Webbed feet. Thick fur that changes color. Which adaptation helps a kangaroo survive in the Australian outback? Pouch for carrying young. Sharp claws for digging. Quills for protection. Pouch for carrying young. What is the primary function of a giraffe's long neck? Hearing, feeding, balance, feeding. How do bats use echolocation as an adaptation? Navigation and finding prey. Communicating with other bats. Attracting mates. Navigation and finding prey. What adaptation do armadillos use for protection? Hard shell. Sharp quills. Thick fur. Hard shell. Which bird is known for imitating the sounds of other birds and even machinery? Parrot. Mockingbird. Eagle. Mockingbird. How does a porcupine defend itself from predators? Venomous bite. Sharp spines. Speed and agility. Sharp spines. What adaptation helps a camel survive in a desert environment? Long legs for running. Humps for storing water. Sharp teeth for hunting. Humps for storing water. What adaptation allows a seahorse to camouflage in its underwater habitat? Suction cup. Tail color changing ability. Bioluminescence. Color changing ability. Which adaptation helps a koala grip onto tree branches? Claws. Suction cups. Prehensile tail. Claws. How do elephants use their trunks as an adaptation? Breathing underwater. Grasping objects. Flying. Grasping objects. What adaptation allows a gecko to climb walls and ceilings with ease? Suction cups on feet. Sticky pads on toes. Sharp claws. Sticky pads on toes. How do anglerfish use bioluminescence as an adaptation? Attracting prey in the dark. Communicating with other anglerfish. Warning predators. Attracting prey in the dark. Which animal has the ability to change the color of its skin for communication and camouflage? Octopus. Panda. Crocodile. Octopus. What adaptation helps a polar bear survive in its icy habitat? Black fur for camouflage. Thick layer of blubber. Hibernation. Thick layer of blubber. How do dolphins use echolocation for adaptation? Hunting and navigation. Communication with other dolphins. Regulating body temperature. Hunting and navigation. What adaptation allows a spider to create silk for webs? Specialized spinnerets. Extra legs for weaving. Venomous fangs. Specialized spinneret. How does a snake use its forked tongue as an adaptation? Tasting the air for prey. Communicating with other snakes. Injecting venom. Tasting the air for prey. Which animal uses its long tongue to extract insects from tree bark? Giraffe. Anteater. Gorilla. Anteater. What adaptation allows a peacock to attract a mate? Brightly colored feathers. Loud vocalizations. Sharp talons. Brightly colored feathers. How do bees use a dance called the bewaggle dance as an adaptation? Attracting predators. Communicating directions to food sources. Courtship display. Communicating directions to food sources. What adaptation allows a hummingbird to hover in midair while feeding? Long legs for perching. Rapid wing movement. Strong beak for grasping. Rapid wing movement. Which adaptation helps a firefly communicate with potential mates? Bioluminescence. Sonic vocalizations. Infrared vision. Bioluminescence. How do beavers use their large front teeth as an adaptation? Climbing trees. Building dams. Burrowing underground. Building dams. What adaptation allows a cat to land on its feet after falling? Flexible spine. Retractable claws. Hinged jaw. Flexible spine. How do owls use their specialized feathers for silent flight as an adaptation? Reduce friction in the air. Create a loud noise to scare predators. Regulate body temperature. Reduce friction in the air. Let us know how you did in the comments below. Thanks for watching.